Now we will see the key issues of big data visualization. The big data visualization can be an extremely powerful business capability, but before an organization can take advantage of it, some key issues are needed to be addressed. And these are the key issues of data visualization which needs addressing before taking the advantage. So the first one, availability of visualization specialists. Many big data visualization tools are designed to be easy enough for anyone in an organization to use, often suggesting appropriate big data visualization examples for the data sets under analysis. But to get the most out of some tools, it may be necessary to employ a specialist in big data visualization techniques who can select the best data sets and visualization styles to ensure the data is exploited to the maximum. Then the visualization hardware resources. Now, when we are talking about the key issues, so under the hood, big data visualization is essentially a computational task, and the ability to carry out this task quickly to enable organizations to make decisions in a timely manner using the real-time data may require powerful computer hardware, fast storage systems, or even a move to cloud. That means big data visualization initiatives are as much an IT project as a management project. IT as well as management project. Then the third one is data quality. So the insights that can be drawn from big data visualization are only as accurate as the data that is being visualized. If it is inaccurate, or we can say if it is outdated, then the value of any insight, it may be big or small, is questionable. That means people and processes need to be put in a place to manage the corporate data, metadata, data sources, and any transformations or data cleaning that are performed before the storage. So these are the key issues of big data visualization that should be understood and addressed before taking any advantage of big data visualization. Now in the next section we will see which are the benefits of data visualization tools. Thank you.